Mom, what is this place?
A place I never wanted you finding alone.
Mom, why are you crying?
Because this place means everything.
Mom, can we visit the park today?
Sorry, sweetheart. I have important plans.
Maybe another day, kiddo.
Mom, you seem different lately.
Everything is fine, sweetheart. Interesting.
You seem sad today. Mom barely talks lately. That sounds strange. I don't know why. That's really weird. Good morning, girls. She seems a little worried today. I'm just thinking.
Dad?
Mom usually comes.
She had important work today.
Again?
Come on in, sweetie.
How was school today?
Mom missed pickup again.
That's unusual.
Grandma, is Mom upset?
No, honey, never that.
Then why hide things?
There are just some things grown-ups keep private, dear.
Why is my name there? Please don't touch that. Not yet, Olivia. Everyone has been acting strange lately.
Please trust us, sweetheart.
Some good things are worth waiting for. Nobody tells me anything. Sometimes surprises stay secret.
For very good reasons.
Mom hides secrets. I'll find answers myself. I need answers. Nobody will tell me anything.
Looking for something, Olivia?
Just curious about that envelope.
Curiosity is powerful.
Can you tell me what's going on?
I'm sorry. You'll understand soon.
Everyone keeps saying that.
You seem worried, sweetheart.
I think Mom avoids me.
Looks can fool us.
Everything must be ready soon.
She cannot find out yet.
Find out what?
Mom and Dad hide something. That's a real mystery. I need more clues.
Look for hidden clues tomorrow. Good idea. I'll start early. Be careful. Mom, do you still love me? More than anything, sweetheart. Then tell me why. Please trust me a little longer.
I am trying, Mom.
Thank you, sweetheart. What's that paper doing there?
A photo? Why is this hidden?
Grandma, look! Someone left this photo.
Oh, my.
Where did you find it?
I remember this day well.
Then tell me about it.
Maybe later, sweetheart.
Everyone acts strange about this picture. Then it's definitely important. Wait, there's writing here. Really? What does it say? It says, "Our special place forever." What special place? Dad, what's our special place?
That's an interesting question.
Please tell me the truth.
I can't explain yet, kiddo.
Grandpa, what's our special place?
A place full of beautiful memories.
She deserves answers soon.
Yes, very soon.
Answers about what? Mom, why is this picture important? Because it means everything to me. Tomorrow, I'll find that special place.
Look closely. I found a clue. That tower looks familiar somehow. That looks like Riverside Park. Really? Are you sure? Almost certain.
We should visit after school.
answers are waiting there.
Dad, can we visit Riverside Park?
Why do you ask that? You know something, don't you?
Maybe some mysteries need patience.
But I like knowing things now.
Have you visited Riverside Park? Many times. Beautiful memories live there.
Some places change lives forever.
What happened there? One day you'll know.
Mom, do you trust me? More than anyone, sweetheart. Then why hide the truth? Why can't you explain? Because the moment isn't ready. What moment?
Tomorrow we visit Riverside Park. Finally, we're getting closer.
The park holds secrets. I'll find them.
This is it! The place from the picture! Let's finally find some answers. Look! That tower matches the picture! You're right! It really does! The bench is in the photo too. Someone carved letters into it. S and M are carved here. Sarah and Michael?
Interesting bench, isn't it?
Do you know this place?
Yes, I do. I've seen that picture before.
You have?
Where?
Where?
By the lake.
Maybe answers are there. I can feel we're close. There's writing on this stone. Read it.
Where our family began.
That's incredible.
Olivia, what are you doing here?
Mom, how did you find me? Mom, what is this place?
A place I never wanted you finding alone.
Mom, why are you crying?
Because this place means everything.
Yeah.
Please tell me the truth. I think it's time. Years ago, I came here often.
With Dad?
Yes. Your father proposed right here. Seriously? Right here?
Yes.
Is that why it's special?
That's where our family began? Exactly, sweetheart. Right here. Then why keep it secret? Then why avoid me lately?
Oh, Olivia. I wasn't avoiding you, sweetheart. It felt that way.
I've been planning something special. For me? Is that why everyone acted strange?
Yes. We were protecting a surprise.
Can you tell me now?
Almost. Just one more day. Tomorrow changes everything, sweetheart. Tomorrow finally brings answers.
Today's the day, right, Mom?
Almost, sweetheart. Just a little longer.
Dad, what's inside that box?
Something very important today. Why are there so many decorations?
You'll understand very soon.
Today's a special day. Everyone keeps preparing something. Then today's definitely important. This arrived for you today. For me, open it. It says, meet us after school. Meet who? It says, Riverside Park. 5 o'clock, the special place again. Dad, are we almost there?
Closer than you think, kiddo.
Why is everyone dressed up? Because today matters.
More than you know.
All these pictures are mine.
Everyone tells your story.
Sweetheart, it's finally time.
Time for what, Mom?
Mom, please tell me everything now.
I will, sweetheart. You deserve the truth.
Sometimes I thought you hated me.
Oh, sweetheart, never ever.
I saw your sadness every day. Then why stay distant? I wasn't avoiding you. I was building this.
For me?
Every photo tells a memory.
Every memory tells your story.
We saved every special moment.
Even your first steps. Was that the secret envelope?
Yes, and it's for you.
A letter from you? A letter from my heart. You wrote all these memories.
Because you're my greatest blessing.
You never hated me?
Never. I love you endlessly.
Now you know the truth. And I finally understand.